Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, boxing, wrestling, Muay Thai. These are some of the disciplines that make up mixed martial arts. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at some of those arts and use those in an MMA style inspired workout video and get a good sweat in. So keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to Ledford. My name is Chris Ledford. I'm a certified personal trainer with the National Academy of Sports Medicine. And along with Serein Wu, certified nutritionist and health coach through Precision Nutrition, we make videos that help you live a happy and healthy lifestyle. So if you've followed me on Instagram or you've heard me talk about it on this channel before, you know how big martial arts are in my life. And with this quarantine, it's kept me from doing one of the things that I love more than just about anything in the world, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So what I thought I would do just to kind of help amuse myself and maybe inspire some of you guys is I would come up with a MMA inspired workout that we could all do together, and hopefully after all this is over with, once the quarantine is lifted, you guys might seek out your nearest Jiu-Jitsu academy and see what they're all about. All right guys, let's get going. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna demonstrate the first part, which is a warm-up. We're gonna do this for time, so it doesn't matter how many times you do it, so long as you're continuously moving throughout the warm-up. I'm gonna demonstrate each of the exercises, then you guys are gonna pause, you're gonna set your clock, and you're gonna do it at your own pace. Okay, here we go. The first warm-up exercise is just an upper torso twist. You're gonna loosen up your spine. You're gonna do this continuously for 30 seconds. Exercise number 2 for your warm-up. We're gonna loosen up your wrists so that when we go down into different positions, these are warm and you don't risk hurting yourself. All right, hands clasped together, interlace your fingers, close your heels of your hand, your palms, and then just roll. Roll for 15 seconds one way, 15 seconds back the other direction. And just keep on reversing until your wrists are nice and loose. Go for 30 seconds non-stop. Exercise number 3 for your warm-up. We're gonna do alternating toe touches. So right hand, right foot. Right foot is gonna go backwards as you lean forward to touch your left toe. Come back to the top, repeat that on the other side. So left hand, left leg. Left leg goes back as your left hand touches your right toe. So in real time, it looks like this. Keep those knees bent just a little bit. Continuously for 30 seconds, non-stop, alternating each time. Okay guys, let's get the blood pumping. Let's get your heart rate going. Let's do some basic mountain climbers. 30 seconds, non-stop, alternating, obviously legs each time. Don't stop. Let me demonstrate. Legs out, one leg comes up, replaced by the other leg. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't flare your elbows out. Keep them tucked in, right under you. 30 seconds, non-stop. Your final warm-up, I want to loosen up your shoulders. So arms out in a T position, and you're going to go 15 seconds forward and 15 seconds backwards. Don't stop at the end of each 15. So 15 seconds forward, no stop. Immediately go backwards for 15 seconds. Okay guys, now for the main exercises. The first that we're going to do comes from boxing. So we're going to stagger our stance. You're going to put if you're right-handed, you're going to put your left foot out so that your right foot goes back, and you're going to go up on the balls of your feet. You're going to go hands up, and you're going to start with a jab and a cross, or a 1 and a 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Always up on the balls of your feet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Throw those hands for 30 seconds. Boom, boom. And if you want to get a little more advanced, you can throw an uppercut in there too. So 1, 2, 1, uppercut. So 1, 2, 1, boom. 1, 2, 1, boom. Up to you. But do those for 30 seconds, non-stop. Keep going. For your next exercise, we're going to go to the art of Muay Thai. So we're going to use our knees instead of our fists. Now, I want you to get in that same staggered position. Right hand over left hand. Up in front of you, in front of your face, and you're going to bring up your right knee, come down, reposition to a staggered stance with your left foot back, up with your left knee. Stagger, boom, stagger, boom, stagger, boom. So you're bringing your leg up at the same time as your arms are going down. Boom, 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 Do that for 30 seconds non-stop. And there's no rest between each of these exercises. Keep going. Okay guys, so for your next exercise, let's move into one of my favorites, wrestling. So in wrestling, one of the things that you do more than just about anything is you do what's called a shot, which means you get into a staggered position, you go down, and you shoot in on an opponent. So to simulate that, we're gonna change levels. We're gonna get a good, nice workout in our legs. So we're gonna start in that staggered position, hands up, and you're gonna first drop down just a little bit, and then to the floor. All the way back up, back in that staggered position, you're gonna go just a little bit, and then down to the floor. Again, down a little bit, all the way to the floor. And switch sides. So go for 15 seconds on one side, 15 seconds on the other. So hands up, down a little bit, and then all the way down. Down a little bit, and then all the way down. Keep doing that all the way, non-stop. Keep going. Okay, so now we get into my favorite martial art of all time, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So I'm gonna show you guys a cross choke crunch. Let me demonstrate. Go down in a regular sit-up position, bring your legs up and cross your feet. Now, bring your hands up, cross your hands in front of each other, right in front of your stomach. You're gonna stretch your legs out, and at the same time as you bring them back in, you're gonna uncross your hands and bring them down across your body and crunch up. So crunch, crunch, crunch. Again, this is for 30 seconds. There's no limit or no maximum to how many crunches you can do. Okay guys, if you have neck problems, here's a really good modification. So leave your head attached to the floor, and you're just gonna curl from your lower abdominals. So again, feet crossed, hands crossed, and instead of bringing up, you're just gonna bring your legs up off the floor. Or rather, your hips up off the floor. Boom. Boom. So try that if you have neck problems. For your last exercise, we're gonna go back to my favorite, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So I'm gonna take one of the pillars of the art, the arm bar, and I'm gonna create an exercise out of it. So we're gonna use what's called an arm bar to create that exercise. Hands out in front of you. You're gonna hop up, straight up, and then to the side. Back to the normal position and down. Hop straight up, to the side, and back down. You're gonna keep on doing that motion, alternating sides each time for 30 seconds. Okay guys, there you go. Your introduction to mixed martial arts. A fun little video that we can hopefully all do together. And maybe, like I said, after all this is over, you seek out your nearest Jiu-Jitsu academy and see what they're all about. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, smash it right now. Share it with everybody you know. Everybody can benefit from a little bit of a workout. So share it, share it, share it. And come visit us on Instagram. I'll put our links here and in the description box. Give it a click, come say hi. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.